Hey friends, I've got a quick but exciting update to share with you. Now, since launching Funnellosophy in 2017, the mission has always been the same: to help small business owners, creators, coaches, and digital marketers like you use AI to grow smarter, faster, and more human-centered businesses. Now, over time, this community has grown into something bigger than just funnels. It's become a hub for prompt engineering, ethical marketing, and AI-powered strategy. So starting July 1st, Funnellosophy will officially become the AI-powered marketer. Same mission, same tutorials, same nerdy breakdowns, tools, and teaching style that you love. This is simply a name that better reflects where we are headed, helping you become more confident, more strategic, and more AI-powered in your marketing. If you're already subscribed, you don't have to do a thing. Just keep showing up, learning, and growing with us. And if you're new here, welcome to the AI Powered Marketer. See you on July 1st.